Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of AutoCAD and Eplan. AutoCAD, developed by Autodesk, is a robust software for 2D and 3D CAD design. It's widely used by architects, engineers, and construction professionals. On the other hand, Eplan, developed by Eplan Software and Service, is a leading software solution for electrical engineering design. Both are powerful tools, but they cater to different needs and industries. Let's dive into their unique features, pricing, and more to help you decide which one suits your requirements best. AutoCAD offers extensive 2D drafting and 3D design capabilities with tools for rendering and animation. It also supports custom programming and automation. Eplan, in contrast, is specialized for electrical design, offering detailed schematics, cable planning, and control system design. It also integrates with mechanical CAD and PLM systems. While both offer robust features, AutoCAD has a broader range of applications, whereas Eplan is more specialized. AutoCAD offers monthly, yearly, and 3-year subscription plans, making it flexible for different budget needs. It also provides a free trial and student version. Eplan, on the other hand, uses a quote-based pricing model, meaning you need to contact them for a personalized quote. This can be advantageous for large enterprises needing custom solutions, but less transparent for smaller users. AutoCAD has a steep learning curve due to its extensive features, but its user interface is customizable, aiding usability. Eplan, although also complex, provides a structured workflow and comprehensive support materials, making it easier for electrical engineers to navigate. User experience may vary depending on the specific needs and familiarity with the industry. AutoCAD integrates with other Autodesk products and supports various file formats for easy collaboration. Eplan, however, excels in integration, offering compatibility with a wide range of CAD and PLM systems, enabling seamless data exchange between mechanical and electrical design teams. AutoCAD performs well on standard hardware for small to medium-sized projects but may require high-end hardware for large, complex designs. Eplan, being more specialized, scales well for large electrical design projects and performs consistently. Both can handle growing project demands, but hardware requirements may differ. Both AutoCAD and Eplan provide secure cloud storage options and have comprehensive customer support. AutoCAD offers online forums, tutorials, and direct support. Eplan provides training modules, a knowledge base, and direct customer service. Both are committed to helping users resolve issues and improve their skills. AutoCAD is ideal for professionals in architecture, engineering, and construction needing extensive design capabilities. Eplan, though, is best suited for electrical engineers and firms needing a specialized solution for electrical design and integration with mechanical CAD systems. Choosing a winner between AutoCAD and Eplan depends on your specific needs. For general design needs across various industries, AutoCAD is the winner due to its extensive features and flexible pricing. However, for specialized electrical design and integration, Eplan comes out on top. Your choice should align with your project requirements, budget, and industry. Thank you for watching our comparison of AutoCAD and Eplan. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more comparison videos. Stay tuned.